Welcome to Impact Headlines. Oil markets steady on Russo-Ukraine war peace talks. Germany heads for the fourth ever snap election. India likely to be shielded from US tariffs. Oil markets are closely watching the outcomes of the ongoing Russo-Ukraine peace talks initiated by Trump, although the talks will not see the participation of Ukraine or European countries. The news is especially crucial for the Eurozone, which has been grappling with high energy costs and potential US tariffs. OPEC Plus may also delay monthly supply increases set to begin in April in anticipation of supply increases from Russian energy. Impact on Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka's high dependency on oil imports means a potential drop in oil prices will ease pressure on its balance of payments. The nation imports around $5 billion worth of crude oil each year. While the country's foreign exchange reserves have improved in recent months, they still remain very low at just around 4 months of imports. Germany will hold its federal election next Monday following a snap election called in late 2024 due to a political crisis. The German economy, once a European powerhouse, contracted 0.2% in 2024 following a 0.3% contraction in 2023. This contraction is primarily attributed to a weak manufacturing sector, still 10% below pre-pandemic levels, with rising unemployment as firms cut jobs, particularly in the automobile sector. Impact on Sri Lanka. The Eurozone, which Germany is a part of, is a key market for both Sri Lankan exports and tourism. In 2024, exports to the European Union reached $2.7 billion, up 1% from the same period last year. Weak purchasing power and rising unemployment affect Sri Lanka's export earnings and European tourist inflows. Following Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the USA last week, both nations are likely to enhance trade ties through a bilateral trade agreement set to double trade to $500 billion. This move is likely to ease India's concerns on Trump's tariff policies. The US is India's largest export partner, with its exports to the United States reaching $77 billion in 2024, maintaining a steady 10% growth rate over 3 decades. Impact on Sri Lanka. India's anticipated trade deal is a positive signal for Sri Lanka. India, in its latest budget, has allocated 3 billion Indian rupees for various infrastructure projects in Sri Lanka. A strong Indian economy would mean increased foreign direct investments and tourism inflows. India is also Sri Lanka's largest tourist source market, having welcomed 414,000 tourists in 2024. And that's the wrap for this week. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest developments in Sri Lanka.